Have you ever felt like your life is blocked for no clear reason? Your projects suddenly fail? Your happiness fades without explanation? It may not just be due to envy or the evil eye. You might be afflicted by something even more dangerous, the evil follower spirit, the most hidden and destructive form of harm. Today, I'm going to reveal a hidden truth that many people overlook. A truth about a demonic entity that silently sneaks into a person's life and destroys it from within. Together, we'll discover who this evil spirit is, how it enters our lives, and most importantly, how we can completely eliminate it, God willing. The evil follower spirit is not just a myth, as some might think. She is a wicked female jinn who follows Muslims in every aspect of their lives, silently stalking them, yet never allowing them the chance to succeed or find lasting happiness. Her presence brings blocked sustenance, lost opportunities, failed marriages, and endless struggles. And the most dangerous part? She doesn't enter your life randomly. She comes through three major causes, mistakes that many people fall into without realizing. First, the follower of the talkative. Anyone who talks excessively about the details of their life, sharing their secrets and future plans with everyone around them, opens a dangerous door for this evil spirit. She enters through their words, slips into their intentions, and corrupts them, until they watch their life crumble before their very eyes. Second, the follower of ancestry. Sometimes, it's not even our own fault. We may inherit this affliction from our parents. If one of the parents is afflicted and remains untreated, this evil spirit can pass down to the children like a heavy curse, blocking their lives generation after generation. Third, the follower of debts. Whoever neglects their duties toward Allah, skipping prayers, abandoning fasting, withholding zakat, or delays paying back debts to others, leaves themselves vulnerable to great spiritual harm. And the evil spirit finds an open door through this corruption to enter and destroy their life. This demonic entity holds a special hatred for women. She envies them. She resents their beauty and their happiness. Thus, a woman afflicted by this spirit often suffers repeated miscarriages, or she finds herself completely unable to conceive. If she is married, this spirit poisons her husband's love for her, turning his heart cold without any clear reason. As for her appearance, she becomes pale, aged, and lifeless, as if all the youth has suddenly drained from her. However, despite all this danger, the cure exists. It is simple, yet it requires patience and consistency. The treatment for the evil follower spirit is rooted in the prophetic healing, using the Quran and the natural remedies Allah has provided for us. Take 7 fresh leaves of sidr, lote tree. Place them in clean water. Recite over the water Surat al-Fatiha 7 times, Ayat al-Kursi 7 times, and both Surat al-Falaq and Surat an-Nas 7 times each. Wash your body with this blessed water, and also drink from it. Repeat this process daily for 7 consecutive days, without skipping a single day. With full trust in Allah, you will see the difference. By His permission, you will feel the light returning to your life, and the invisible chains that once held you down will break forever. Remember, not every problem in life is visible. Sometimes, a hidden enemy lurks in the shadows, feeding off your silence and your heedlessness. Stay alert. Cling tightly to the remembrance of Allah. For whoever is protected by Allah, no evil spirit, no matter how persistent, can ever have power over them.